I hate that I love the way them kisses taste like whiskey. How they wake up, take on off, not even miss